Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce fraud risk with Discover, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce fraud risk with Discover, begin by logging into your Discover account. Navigate to the Security Settings section. Look for the options related to transaction alerts. Enable transaction notifications for both online and offline purchases. Set up real-time alerts to be notified of any suspicious activity immediately. Review your past transactions regularly for any unrecognized charges. If you spot a suspicious transaction, report it as soon as possible. Next, make sure you are aware of Discover's fraud protection policies. Consider using virtual card numbers for online shopping. These provide an added layer of security for your transactions. Regularly update your account passwords to maintain security. Choose strong, unique passwords and change them periodically. Utilize two-factor authentication if available on your account. This provides an extra step in verifying your identity during login. Keep your contact information updated in your account settings. This ensures you receive alerts and can be contacted if necessary. Finally, stay informed about the latest fraud trends and security measures. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce fraud risk with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.